Look, guys, a leaf, and a stick, and grass, and flowers, and the sky, and the sun, and mulch, and dead leaves, and plants. Look at this. Look at that. It's a fern, I think. Dwarf bright gold yew. It's you guys. You guys. Water and fish. Lots and lots of fish. All around fish. And a tree. A large tree. Gravel. Woo! More plants. Spinning around nature. This is awesome. Just spinning around. A rock. Look at that rock. That is a pretty rock. That is a one-of-a-kind rock. Yes, I agree. Flowers. Flowers. And more fish. Look at all the fish. All the fish. Plants. Lots and lots of plants. Look at all the plants. Grass thing. Look at this grass thing. Trail. Rock. Rock. Brick. Brick and dirt. Lots and lots of dirt. Dirt, 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 more dirt, dirt. And a fence, a wooden fence. More dirt. Ooh, a frog. Look at that frog. That is a good frog. Look at that. Don't try to get him. Look at that frog. That was a big frog. Look at those lily pads. Look at those lily pads right there. Yeah. I think that's gonna be my thumbnail. Or maybe that one. You never know. Ooh, a tree. A bush. Some Velcro. Just to my handle. Ooh. I'm still zoomed in. Rock. Plants. Can you feel the nature? Can you feel the nature? Can you feel it? Can you feel the nature now? There's a big stick. There's a big stick. It's a small stick. It's actually a trunk of a tree bush thing. Mulch! And another tree with peelable bark. Yeah, doesn't taste good, don't eat it. Vines. Vines with flowers. That again, don't taste good. Don't eat that either. It's disgusting. Ooh, more flowers. More flowers. These taste good? Nope. Dwarf blue Arctic willow don't taste good. Tastes like garbage. Nature. Ooh. Let's taste this natural weeping cherry. It does not taste like cherries. They lie. Lies. Ooh, more things that look tasty. Does not taste good. Does not taste good. I can show you the plants. What wonderful plants. I can show you the plants. Wonderful plants. Planty plants, plants. I think this might be corn. It doesn't taste like corn. Ooh, a kaleidoscope thingy. Ooh, pretty colors. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Flower! It's a flower! Hey! Hey, it's a flower! More flowers! More grass! More trees! Trees are everywhere! Spinning around nature! Whee! I'm getting dizzy. Oh my gosh. It's a tree. It's water. More water. Flooded water. Ooh, and those rocks. Look at those rocks. Look at them. Look at those rocks. Look at those rocks. Those are some good rocks. I have seen rocks like those. They're very powerful rocks. Especially for hitting people over the head. Very. And it's a well with more magical rocks. Just throw one in and make a wish. I wish for magical things to happen. More plants! More trees and bushes and sticks. Bob Ross was right. Rip though. But he was right. Nature is amazing. The most exciting thing. Leaves! Look at how shiny those are. Those are actually remarkably shiny leaves. This is real, right? Yes. Very. Disgusting. Don't eat that. Don't eat these. Disgusting. Guys, it's a squirrel. Yeah, I think it might be the squirrel I encountered earlier. It's a squirrel. It's up in the tree. It's up in the tree. It's up in the tree. Squirrel, I see you. I'm making a video. Please come down. I want to interview you. How is your nature? How is your nature? Is it good? Is it good nature? Is it good nature? Squirrel. Squirrel, is your nature good? Is it good being in nature? Yes, how is it in nature? Nature. Is it natural? Is it squirrel? Squirrel, is it natural? Is your nature natural? I see it. It's somewhere up there. Is your nature natural? Is that what this is? Natural nature. Maybe if I can go around here and see. Squirrel! Squirrel! Is this nature natural for you? Is it natural? Natural nature. I don't see him. He might be up here though. I think I hear him. This is a good tree. Look at that tree. Look at the thing on that tree. I'd love to spend the night under this tree. What kind of tree is it? I'll zoom in because I want to bend down. Cornelian cherry dogwood. That's what that tree is. Cornus mas. Mas cornus. Cornus mas. Ooh, another magical rock. Does the magic cease to amaze me? No. Let's go see if we can find a squirrel and interview him about nature. It's a bird. I saw a bird. A bird, guys. Nature. Guys, a bird. Where's a bird? I hear the birds. They're probably up in those trees there. But I can't climb or zoom that high. Squirrely, 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 squirrel. Where'd you go, squirrel? Can you guys spot the squirrel? There's a leaf over there all bouncing around and such. All bouncing around there. And there's a bird. That's actually a sign. The bird is now gone. Bugs and floaty things. Just nature is natural. Whee! I can spin around. Whee! Well, that's enough nature for one day. I'm dizzy. Let's go home.